Hello. Good morning to all of us, to all subscribers. God bless us all, and thank you, Lord, again for another day that we have in this day. Now is Wednesday, so I'm just to say greetings to all subscriber, not subscriber, and don't forget to subscribe me, likes, comments, and share. And to all viewers and not viewers, supporters to not supporters, to all people in this world that you are still watching in the different social medias, the individual founder of the social medias, YouTube, thank you so much for giving me time and to excuse to share my memorable moments, sadness, pains, stress, tired, mga painful of my feelings, to express what I am and what I'm telling, to become of my part of my journey while as a domestic helper, here as a housemate. Okay, so thank you so much that you were still support in my all videos, in minimum videos, regular videos, short videos, that what I have. So thank you so much, and congrats to all people in the Philippines. Congrats to all of them, to the successful. Wag nang daya-daya. Daya-daya is not good na. Now is year 2027, okay? So, some of them that government there, good luck na lang, good luck. And the most important of us that God provide everything, whatever we have, and God always protect us in our daily routine in our life. Okay, so thank you, and some bloggers, some supporters that you are still from the beginning and until now. So thank you talaga, and you know who you are, and God, the only one who give and provide everything whatever we need. Okay, because you know what is God knows only, He knows about everything what we have, what we need. Okay, so same as usual, I'm preparing here for the breakfast because it's already, I don't need, if I'm not mistaken, it's 5 and 15 minutes early in the morning yet. Okay, so I finished already to prepare for the lunch box, and now I prepare only for the breakfast. Okay, thank you again, thank you for the support. Kumusta kayo? Kumusta lahat? Nationwide and worldwide, everybody's asleep. So I cannot shout, and I cannot make louder of my voice. And I'm here in the kitchen because it's make echo kasi. Kaya, nito na lang. At least, I can see. I'm not also always telling, I'm making a video here that I'm in the kitchen if I'm all that I have routine here, my daily routine, because nakakasawa din. What I mean is always repeating, and sometimes I don't like it. But what I do, as of what I'm telling, I can go out only if they are bringing me to go with them. So that's the right time that may some videos it's different. But mostly my videos is down and up inside in this house, the kitchen, the balcony, and the room of Sisi, and some dining and sala. That's all. So I'm very glad pa rin even my videos is like that. There is 1, 2, 3 that they are watching also. Thank you. It's a very glad to say thank you, that one. Okay. So I say thank you, and bye-bye again. Ingat, keep safe. That is the most important. Thank you to all of us. Bye.